Hey guys, my name is Kylie and I just had to hop on real quick and give my honest review on these airtight containers that I store all my dry goods in. So we've been loving these. I've had my cereal in these for like 3 years now. I just wash them out like once a month and they have stayed looking really good. So how they are airtight is this rubber seal on the inside of the lid, keeps them completely airtight. Really easy to put the lids on and off with these clips here. And then there is also this little tab that makes it really easy to pop the lid open, which is also airtight. Love the size of the pour spout, gets just enough out and my kids can even use it easily. There are, right here, there are measurements on either side. So it looks like 4 liters is the max on this. Also, if you can see this little grip piece right here, for when you're holding it, get a little bit better grip. Overall, these are amazing, affordable, and look really great inside your pantry. Would 10 out of 10 recommend these.